To start, I'm going to go ahead and show the startup of the system. So I'm going to go ahead and run the system. And you'll see right there, it shows that we connected to the Wi-Fi and shows the IP address. It shows that we've connected the correct ID and it's going to set up the device. For setting up the device, we have plus or minus 2G with full resolution at an output data rate of 400 Hertz. We also go ahead and calibrate the device, having X and Y be 0G and the Z direction be 1G. And then you can say there that it sends in a note saying the calibration has been completed, and right now the motion sensor is deactivated. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate lab 5 for the motion sensor. Here's our setup as we have. The red LED is on pin 33, the green LED is on pin 32, the I2C clock is on pin 22, and the I2C data is on pin 23. So right now, as we can see, the sensor is deactivated as it keeps sending in the terminal. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'm going to turn on the motion sensor. So I just sent the command to the Google Assistant to go ahead and activate the motion detector. And so as we can see here, within the next 30 seconds, we'll get a motion sensor activated, and we can see that the green light has turned on. Over here on If Then This Then That, we can go ahead and see that our applet was ran at 12:38, which is from when I just turned it on using Google Assistant. So we can see now as I'm going to go ahead and move this, and you can see that the red light turns on, and it sends a notification in the chat saying the motion has been detected. If we come over here to If This Then That, it did send a notification to my phone. Unfortunately, you can't see that notification with this video recording, but we can see right here that the applet was ran at 12:39. And if we go ahead and see, we can see that it sent all the values that we expected, and the notification did just pop up on my phone. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video again and go ahead and deactivate the alarm. And so now I just deactivated the motion sensor, which you'll see happen here within the next 30 seconds. And as you can see, it sends it to the chat saying that it's been deactivated. And I'm going to go ahead and shake it, and you see that the motion is not detected, and it doesn't send anything to the chat.